Alrighty, y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Swiffer Sweeper. This is the dry and wet floor mop. This actually comes with a little cleaning kit itself, so it doesn't just come with a mop. It also comes with a couple dry pads and a couple wet pads as well to get you started, which obviously, you can buy more of as time goes on. That's kind of the cool thing about Swiffer, is that you have basically the mop portion forever, and then you can just continuously buy pads every time you need to use them. So it's, pretty ingenious little thing. I feel like at this point most people know about Swiffer, or at least have heard of them. I used to have one of the models that sprayed, and I still do. It's still great for, getting our hardwood floors and everything. But I wanted something that was a little more compact, just a little easier to use. And it's more versatile in the way that you can actually use the dry pads on here as well. So I really dig that. It's just, it's also just a cheaper alternative overall, I think. So these dry cloths are great. Swiffer works great. It really cleans up well. Much better than like traditional mops, I would say. And they're much thicker than paper towels, these actual Swiffer pads that you put on here. So it's really great. The beautiful thing about this side is, and this is essentially where you're going to put your Swiffer pads on here, but the great thing about it is textured. So because it's textured, it basically helps to pick up more, dirt, grime, hair, and kind of just lock it in between these little ridges right here. Because otherwise, if it were a flat surface, it would just really be pushing around the stuff that's on your floor, the dirt and everything that's on your floor. So, it's helpful that they have that here and that they thought of that. So, what I also love about the Swiffer wet dry is that it is kind of a two-in-one sort of ordeal. So basically you have, the ability to mop your floor and then take off your wet pad, throw it away, and then use dry pad to, kind of go over the same area, make sure that it's all dry, make sure that it's all nice, and you're pretty much ready to go. It's such a solid thing overall. Basically, you have, as for the design, you have this area which is basically like a styrofoamy kind of texture. It wraps around the plastic base of the mop. On top you have kind of this really lightweight plastic there, and then essentially the pads are going to stick in utilizing these little rubber holders right here. I love these things. I think they're really kind of a nifty little way of keeping the mops on, the mop pads on. They work really well. I've never had an issue with them. They're very easy to get in and get out. And also when you're mopping your floor, you'd think it would be pretty easy for your, Swiffer pad to kind of just fall off or, be dragged under the mop, but it's really not the case at all. It works well, and can't complain there. You have the rest of the mop, obviously, so as you can see, this is the rest. It's great. It comes apart too. It has these little buttons right here, so you can easily pull your Swiffer apart, which is great for storage. It actually comes that way, so when you purchase this, you put it together, and then you can put it away if you don't have much room to store it. We just kind of keep it as it is because we just throw it in the closet. But even then, it's still very slim, obviously very lightweight, not going to take that much room. If you have a utility closet or a laundry room in your house that you use to store things, it's not going to take up room at all. It's also incredibly lightweight, like maybe not even a pound, I would say. Maybe a pound. It's probably a pound, but it's very lightweight, surprisingly lightweight. So super easy to, move around your house, but also very sturdy too. This big aluminum bar right here, it feels great. It doesn't bend or anything like that, which is nice. You really want to be able to, dig into tough messes and everything. So this kind of allows you to do that. You also have this little hook at the top here. We use this to hang on the wall, actually. We have a couple little hooks in our laundry room, and so we hang this up in there, and it's nice, kind of gets it out of the way. Yeah, other than that though, there's not really much else to say. This is a really great little cleaning mop for hardwood floors. If you have hardwood floors in your house and you want to get, maybe a cheaper alternative to the sprayer Swiffers or whatever, a great little tool for cleaning. That's a Swiffer Dry and Wet Floor Mop. And yeah, definitely check it out, you guys. Alrighty, take it easy.